Oh yeah, this is what we all pretty much think of when we buy truck parts. Probably even when we put a lot of gas. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. All right, today I'm rocking the Big Old Crew 05 Rick shirt. Let's see if you can see it on the. Yep, that's nice. Let me show you guys a little something. If you guys know who this guy is, go comment down in the comments and put his name down. If you know who he is, you're a real one. Alright, so we don't have too much planned for today, but I want to update you guys with some stuff that I completely forgot to show you guys. But it's for the Sierra, and the Sierra's hood is already painted. Well, the inside the hood, and it looks freaking amazing. I already saw it and I'm like, it's gonna be a badass color and you guys are gonna love it. Watch, the truck is gonna look sick. Tomorrow is the hazardous truck annual cruise that the Sierra is obviously not gonna make it. It still has a lot of, it still needs to be painted, and that's pretty much it. And I gotta fix one of the back rims that it keeps deflating. It kept deflating, so I don't know if you guys remember that, but we have that to do. And what else? Oh, I got something for the Silverado as well, because since the color is more of a dark stealthy type of color, I want to put a windshield banner. So I got this camo black windshield banner to put on it, and then I want to put like a all black Big Old Crew banner on the top of it. So what do you guys think? What should we do with the Silverado besides the drop? So is there any type of looks you guys want me to add to it, like a big old Chubbs or Big Old Crew banner in the front? Let me know if you guys want me to post some of those on the website as well, if you guys want to rock one. But let's get into these parts that we got for the Sierra. And also thanks to a lot of you guys that, so these are the side mirror covers that we're gonna be painting as well, because I did buy some Denali side mirrors, if you guys saw that, and the covers were broken and cracked, so just wanted to buy these to replace them. I think they're like 20-30 bucks each. Well, I know the driver's side was like 30, but then the passenger side was like freaking 50 bucks or something like that. But I don't know why there's a price difference on I don't know, let's say the whole part number if you guys want to check it out. There it is. Let's see. But like I said, the side mirrors that I got, they're cracked, and I didn't want to use the ones that came with the Sierra because they're chrome. I didn't want to mess them up, and I want to keep them just in case. Oh, and one of them is broken, so. But here's the covers. So we're gonna get this color matched with the truck. And then here's the other side. This is the perfect example of money well wasted, because it's gonna come in handy and it's gonna make the truck freaking nice and color matched. Alright, the truck is good. Still clean from the last wash with exclusive details. Get a cold start for you guys. What's up, bro? What's going on? How you doing? What time you get here? Alright guys, I'm gonna eat real quick and then we'll go and look at all the trucks.
post this on YouTube, letting people know for the IE. You know what I mean? ¡Esa sí quema!
Cut everybody off. It's really that crooked. Safe spots. What's up? I don't fit through there. Where'd you get that sick ass hoodie from?
Oh shit, for real? I forgot. What's up, fool?
Nice public feature.
Right? Finally see what the mask is.
Yeah. I'm gonna record the guy recording.
Yeah, a car. I think it was another car.
Should have been standing over there. God damn it. It's about to get crazy here too. But Rialto is very strict with this shit, so let's see how it goes. Cop's gonna come for sure. Sorry if it's shaky, I'm doing it freehand. René, la de la troca con la brown hood. La de la brown hood. Alright, bro, I'll see you. Yeah, for sure. Alright, bro. Alright, got you. What? Right there. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video right here. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Especially once the cops here. Especially once the what's it called? Yeah, we gotta go. Especially once the truck's done. So I'll hit you guys up later. We gotta go.
You blocked it right there.
Go. A what?
Unless
It's been in there for a month. Here, hold this, babe. Cops are here, they're blocking exits.
apúrate.
Which way do we get out?
They're letting people go that way, but I vienen. Why? Why are y'all burning out?
Because they know they can't get to him. Oh, that's the same guy that talked to me too.
Hey. Por pendejo.
God damn it. He was already doing the burnouts too late.
But he could have stopped. Couple did not pull his taser out.
Now look at that. Damn, you should have got that.
I was recording the cop.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Don't get caught. Peace out guys. And don't do it in front of the cop.